Hello and welcome to our video presentation for Engineering Management BEE 30103. The title given to us is Implementation of IR 4.0 on Small Medium Enterprise, or simply called SME. And the industry that has been chosen by my team is Kuala Sepetang Charcoal Factory. It is because this factory is using process of making charcoal in a traditional way. So that's the reason why we choose this industry. And our lecturer's name is Professor Madya, Dr. Nafarizal bin Nayan, and we are from group number 9. And this is my group members' name list. And myself, Karthi Puspanathan, DE 2001 and 01, and followed by Tirumurugan Ravi, DE 200111, and Muhammad Afiq Nur Hakim bin Sarudin, DE 2000 and 92, and Muhammad Haikal Rajbi bin Helmi, DE 200100. And thank you.
Assalamualaikum to sir and all my friends. So today I will explain about our case study implementation of IR 4.0 on small medium enterprise SME. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Haziq Nur Hakim bin Sarudin. My matrix number is DE 2092. I'm a student of Faculty of Electrical and Electronic under program Bachelor of Electrical Engineering with honor. Is SME. SME stands for Small and Medium Sized Enterprise or small and medium-sized business, which are companies with fewer than 500 employees. Okay, SME are job creators for employees with higher motivation and flexibility. Besides that, SME have increased market competition, resulting in improved fulfillment of customer requirements. After that, SMEs also assist large firms in manufacturing goods and services more effectively by offering specific tasks. Okay, as you can see here, this is all SME that located in our country, divided by cities. So here, Selangor have recorded highest percentage of SME that they have in their city, and we also can see that Wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya shows that the least percentage of SME that located in their place. Okay, this is examples of SME in Malaysia. Okay, first we have tepung bestari. This the product that every mom always use to make a fried chicken, and it really tastes good. And the product is awesome for me. And second is CK Packaging and Plastic Industry Sdn Bhd. The product that they produce, such as shopping bag plastic and garbage plastic.
Hello and hi, Doctor. I'm Karthi Puspanathan with a matrix number of DE 2001 and 01. I'll be presenting charcoal making process in a traditional way. And firstly, the mangrove logs are cut into length of 1.6 meters. And then the process of debarking the logs and weigh it in 20 kgs each. And then the debarked log will be moved into the kiln or known as igloo, and that'll be estimated around 1,500 logs arranged along the wall. And then a fire is lighted by burning some other logs of wood. As the day passes, the opening of the curd is closed little by little until it is sealed. But it is not completely sealed because we need to allow the oxygen to pass through. So there will be around 4 small holes to allow the oxygen to pass through inside the curd. And then, as we all thinking that the mangrove logs will be burnt, but actually not burnt. It is just like extracting the water from the logs with the hot temperature in the surrounding. And then the expert workers are able to check on the drying process until the logs are entirely dry. This is the process of making charcoal. And then the overall charcoal making process is from day 1 to day 10, 85 degrees Celsius will be maintained inside the igloo. And then from day 10 to day 24, it is increased to 230 degrees Celsius. And finally, a cooling days, which is 8 days, is taken to cool down the charcoals before being packed inside the packets. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tirmurugan. My matric number is DE200111, and today I'm going to present about the advantages of biomass carbonization plant BST50. So the advantages is the production of charcoal is faster than the traditional method of making charcoal. And then the second one is it has heat resistant casing which can prevent the workers from minor or major injuries. And then the fuel cost can be reduced as the casing has the function of heat preservation. And then the fourth one is high level automatic alarm system. And then it also fixed with SCADA and PLC system which is able to effectively control the whole machine. And then the carbonizing process is clean and safe as the feeding and discharging part of the machine is sealed. And then the waste smoke undergo desulfurization before released. And then the last one is it can produce sawdust, wood, plant stalks, rice husk, coffee husk, and straw, as well as combustible gas besides charcoal. Next, I'm going to present about the characteristic of biomass carbonization plant BST50. First of all, its specification. The model is BST50. The hourly feeding capacity is around 2.5 until 3 tons. The working material is continuous. The raw material produces all kinds of biomass waste such as sawdust, coconut shells, olive shells, bamboo, civil sludge, municipal sludge, and industrial sludge. And the reactor size is 1700. The pattern is horizontal and rotary. Heating material is charcoal, wood, and biomass materials. The total power consumed is 72 kilowatt per hour. The floor area is 50 in length, 15 in width, and then times by 10 in height. Operating pressure is constant pressure. Cooling method is recycling water cooling, and the lifespan is around 5 to 8 years. Next, we're going to see the high temperature carbonization process. For the item is water content. The requirement is the water content in the raw material content should be no more than 50%, otherwise the quality of charcoal from biomass may be not so good. Second is size of materials. The size of material is no more than 50 millimeter. The size is smaller, the quality is better. Then temperature. Normally the temperature is between 350 degrees Celsius until 420 degrees Celsius. The temperature is higher, the productivity is larger, and the speed of carbonization of biomass is faster. So the operation cost is gradually decreasing. For production cycle, the time of whole carbonization process in the biomass one is 15 until 20 minutes, which is short and efficient. For fuel, the Western carbonizer machine can use coal, wood, natural gas as heating material. And then the working method, the whole carbonizer line is continuous, named continuous carbonization furnace. When raw material enters into biomass charcoal machine in one side, the charcoal discharges in other side. And then we're going to see the main end product of biomass carbonization plant BST50. So the main product is charcoal and biogas. For charcoal, it is used in daily life, widely used as a fuel in BBQ, and then agriculture. And then for daily life also, it is used as a fuel in other area. For agriculture, attach heavy metal, improve quality of soil. And in industry, it can be reprocessed into activated carbon, used for construction bricks with clay, widely used as fuel in industries such as steel and iron factories as ceramics. And then the second one is biogas. Biogas is used in daily life as a fuel, and then for agriculture, greenhouse agriculture heating, and for industry it can be used as a fuel, can be used for drying, and also can be used for generator to get electricity. That's it from me. Thank you.
Alright, my name is Omar Haifan Najmi and I will proceed with the costing and forecast. Alright, so for the first, this is the daily costing for BST. So we took easy here. This is a material. The total for material that we need is 7,902 ringgit and 34 cent, and for the fuel we got 62 ringgit and 91 cent, and for the power we got the total is 12 ringgit and 69 cent, and for the water we need to have the total is 3 ringgit and 70 cent, and for the labor we need to have 6 worker here. So one worker we need to pay it around 120 ringgit 47 cent, and the total is 740 ringgit and 82 cent. And for the maintenance and depreciation, this is the same. The total is 82.32 cent, and for the tax we free from the tax because of the our project is an environment prioritization project, and for other expenses is only 41 ringgit and 60 cent, and for the IoT system we use software Rapid SCADA, and the total for daily costing is 8,917 ringgit 7 cent.
In progress.
Okay, so this is the part of the BST 50. This is first is the crusher. This is the price is 2,540 ringgit, and for the charcoal gasifier the price is 9,299 ringgit, and for the spray tower is 8,219 ringgit 16 ringgit, and for the carbonization hose we got here is 9,845 ringgit, and for the dusting system we got 24,690 ringgit, and for the last one is shredder. That is 8,325 ringgit only, and the total for all of this part is 80,915. Alright, so for the forecast we have 3 points that I highlight. Is first is an eco-friendly because of it contain a filter that filter the smoke before it is discharged into the air, and also the financial will reduce the air pollution in the future. Alright, for the market demand analysis, it's been renewable energy production in a realistic necessity to provide energy security and support the economy and society long-term growth. And also you have encouraged the clean and efficient use of biomass energy, and can help farmers earn more money, improve their quality of life, and speed up the rural modernization process. And the last one is market profit analysis. It is biomass overcome the shortcoming of previous technology and has a number of advantage, and high terminal efficiency, low operation cost, high calorific value of a gas, recycling economy high, and market profit. Alright, so that's all for the costing and forecast.
Okay, the conclusion for our case study is small and medium-sized enterprises are increasingly being created by individuals to earn more income to support themselves other than working with other people. Apart from creativity in producing products, maintaining products, quality as well as managing administration in companies, many are unaware of the importance of efficiency in the production system. Okay, this quote I get from a journal. In both the manufacturing and retail businesses, product safety is critical. From Chen and Hua on 2017. And next, customers are prepared to pay extra for items that are safe and have excellent quality. This is from Wessel and Anderson, 1995. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.